This is ASUS ROG Phone 6D Ultimate, and today I would like to show how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So first step is to enable the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth features, or well, make sure that they are enabled at the very least. Then open the quick access panel or control panel. Find the shortcut that says nearby share. Here it is. Then once you've made it to the nearby share page, in order to turn this feature on, simply toggle the switch that is located in front of a use nearby share. Then you can rename the device if you want to. You can make your device visible or invisible, as well as manage its visibility. And finally, you can set the preferred data mode that will be used for the file transfer, and everything is set and ready to be used. So for instance, I will send the screenshot I've just took from my OnePlus to my ASUS and see how well the whole sending files thing works. It takes much more time than it should have for some mysterious reason, so let me perhaps reinitiate the transfer and see if that will fix this hold off. So photos, so here is the screenshot. Already? Yep. Now simply accept the transfer and wait for the whatever file you're sending to be sent and received respectively. And here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.